NASDAQ this week has risen in value. We can see that on a Monday the price formed this bullish breakout where the price continued to rise in value almost all 5 days during the week, and only the one that has not, it was on a Thursday 2 days ago. So we can see after that on a Friday the price continued to rise in value again. The price has formed several bullish breakouts above several resistance levels, and it has closed at 21,592. Now the weekly closes has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that with a bullish breakout above a very important resistance level, which is a confluence of resistance. So we can see that where the price is continuing to rise in value. And the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. Currently it is a bullish. It has only passed 7 days, first week in this month, so I will not make any conclusions, but I will go to the lower time frame to see how the price behaves. Now in front of the price we can see what there is. There are no levels. I will put them next week, what I'm expecting and where the price could stop or reach as the next bullish targets. So for now, when something happens and also when there are some kind of trades, I will also share that inside the premium analysis with traders during the week, each day, even when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout. One more notification for you is that I'm currently giving 3 trading accounts with $300, $200 and $100 account with the Blueberry Markets as a partner broker, because I'm going to reach $10,000. So I'm giving this 10,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So feel free to click a like and subscribe to my channel, and especially open trading account, open one trade with the Blueberry Markets to enter into the competition. The more details will be below, so you can also check them if you would like to join. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.